Hey everyone, it's Elaine with Larkin Lane Creations. Thanks for stopping by. The other day I showed you how I took brick samples, just slices of brick, and turned them into find a brick like find a rock. Well, today I don't have bricks and I don't have rocks. I have boulders. These things are so big sometimes and so heavy, but again, you want to keep them out of the landfill. So yeah, this one's not so bad. This one here is pretty hefty, but it's pretty nice because you could stand it up if you wanted to. Anyway, some of them now, I've kind of left them all natural. I didn't paint them up the way I had with the brick samples. But I think these are pretty cute. But one thing that I do, no matter how much I put on them, whether it's a little bit or I've really painted them up, I always make sure that I put some kind of clear coat on them so that they're going to be weather resistant. Because I like to be able to use ink and paint, and I don't want it smearing or running off. So here's a little bit of what I have done as far as, painting them up and putting little sayings on them. And then I had a special request from a guy at work. He likes to ride his bike at this local park, and he said they had white squirrels. So I did this one especially for him. And by golly, do you know that somebody took that? I guess they liked it better than leaving it in the park. So here are some of the ones that I really painted up fancy. This I gave to one of the ladies at work. I think it's beautiful. She loves the beach, and she keeps that one right there at her front door in her house. And then this was the very first one that I actually ever did. Just the American flag. It was kind of when we were having some controversy and everything in the United States, and the flag was just really meaning a lot to me then. So I did that one. And then this is just kind of a simple one. Again, this one stands up, but it is. Just take the next step. Don't ever let fears stand in your way. If so, I wouldn't be on YouTube right now. Ha ha. Anyway, that's about it for what I've done, with another sample here from work, these construction samples. So I just wanted to show you that nothing's too small or too large to do something with. The main thing is keeping it out of the landfill. So I wanted to show these to you. These were a bargain I got at Hobby Lobby the other day. They are for journals. They're the tabs for the months and everything. I only paid 99 cents for them. So of course I got all that I could. This one was only 49 cents. Again, it's for a little planner. Here's some more that I got for 99 cents. I told you I had to get all of them. Not sure what I'll do with them, but I do like playing with journals, so I'll probably make something for somebody. And here, this one was only 59 cents. If nothing else, the paper alone is just worth that. Needless about the tabs on the side. So anyway, I hope you like what I've done with these boulders. And think about things around your house, and that you could paint up and decorate, whether to put in your yard or give to a friend. So again, I hope you give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. See you next time. Bye.